Hi guys, Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of October 20th, 2015. As is my normal case, I'm going to stare at some charts from the Trade Navigator software and share them with you. A weekly bond market chart is what we're looking at here, and you can see after this big week up here 3 weeks ago, not a whole lot's happened. And I don't expect a whole lot to happen. We're kind of looking at resistance up here in the 159.28 area and support around 156. I think probably the best signal would be breaking either of those areas. But we really have a very light schedule of economic reports this week, and I'm not really expecting much of anything to happen unless there's some sort of surprise from, I don't know, Europe, Donald Trump, something, I don't know. It just doesn't look like there's a whole lot on the horizon, so I would go with a breakout if it occurred, but I kind of don't expect one will. Stocks are a little different situation. They kind of looked like they had a breakout last week. Not a true breakout, but they did take out to the upside and get back into the area of this previous swing low. So they're pretty much at a decision point. They could rocket right up out of here and go test the highs here, but they could turn back down from here as well. And so far this week, they're just not doing much of anything either. We're looking at resistance roughly in the 2040 area up here, and the support to hold if they're going to continue to move up is about 1995. Again, they've been nowhere near either of those areas so far, and may not. There's just not a lot to drive them this week. Listen, there is support down, the middle moving average down there is 1970. They could go down there even lower and not really do any damage at all. But as I mentioned in bonds, there's just not a lot of economic news due out this week. It's a very light schedule this week. And I kind of think they'll have a hard time finding a reason to get going in either direction. So we may not see much of anything. We may be sort of in the same vicinity when we talk next week. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved in. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.